Want to turn your Figma design into a WordPress or Webflow website without touching code? Let me show you how FigWebX does it in just a few clicks. FigWebX, developed by Softlight, is a powerful conversion tool that transforms your Figma designs into fully functional websites for WordPress and Webflow. No manual coding needed. Tag your Figma layers, pick your page builder, and export. FigWebX will convert your layout with 70 to 90% fidelity, including responsiveness. All exported layouts are responsive by default, saving you hours of extra work. It's optimized for static layouts. You'll still need to build advanced features like sliders, forms, or e-commerce manually. You can get started free and scale up with monthly or lifetime plans depending on your needs. FigWebX is for designers, agencies, freelancers, anyone who wants to speed up design-to-site workflows. Like and subscribe if you found this useful, and drop a comment if you want a hands-on walkthrough of the Figma tagging system.